Welcome to Grateful Rose River Homestead. I'm Paisley Girl.
I'm called Papa Bear. We are deadheads / hippies. We're the keepers of the old path. We left the big city to get back to the land to become homesteaders.
You can say that our big dream and goal is to live a self-sufficient lifestyle and be in harmony with the Mother Nature the way God had always intended it to be. So come along with us on our journey as we live on this great Muskingum River.
Subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell to start your journey with the Grateful Rose River Homestead. Peace, love, and happiness to all you, and see you on the next video.